Alright, well, we woke up from a long nap and in time to see Cuba off in the distance. Which means now Jamie's got the binoculars.
This is how you get shot at. Okay, so we are sitting in the lounge chairs on our balcony for the first time. This isn't bad, right? The view's not too bad. I mean, you've got bars in front of you, but you can still see some of the trail on the horizon, and there's a little bit of a breeze. The sun, when it peeps out, is on the other side of the ship, so we're in the shade, so that's nice. Got anything to say?
I like it. We finally got some sun for once. It's been rain all day.
Yeah, it's been, but it's hurricane season, so we kind of expect a bit of rain, a bit of overcast. We have the time-lapse camera set up there.
Oh, it's just regular video.
Oh, now he's just taking regular video of our wake, and let me show you that. So when you sit, this is what you see. It's like cruise ship in prison.
In some ways, that's what this cruise is. You're stuck here.
We're kind of being held hostage by Disney while there's a hurricane. I'm not complaining in the least. That was not a complaint. It's really quite the adventure because we don't know what's coming. We don't know what the schedule is or the plan is from day to day. I think they've done a great job, and we're really enjoying pretty much everything. This is our third adult activities director. Yo-Yo is who we have now. We've done I think I've done 3 or 4 activities with him in the last 24 hours, and he's growing on me. I like him. I really liked the last 2 we had. Jamesy and Brett were fantastic. So he's got big shoes to fill, but I think we're having a lot of fun with him. He's really cute. We've got some time now before dinner. Jen and Brian just went to go see Believe. And I don't remember what Ann and Robin were doing, but we're going to...
Oh, they're at a movie.
Oh, they were going... Oh, they were going to go see the 3D Toy Story?
I think so.
And then we just had 6 wine glasses delivered to the room so we can open some of the Moscato that we brought on board. I want to do that when everybody gets back. And then I think we were going to go see about booking... They added some tastings and stuff like that, some onboard activities. So we were going to go sign up for one of those, and we're going to go down to the lobby and have pictures taken again. We split the picture package with Jen and Brian. And we got the one where you get the USB drive and all of the prints. So I think what we're going to do is just download the USB when we get it, onto the laptop when we get it, and then let them take the USB. Then if there's a problem, we know where they live. But that won't be an issue. It shouldn't be. So then after dinner tonight, dinner's in Animator Palette. I'm not real excited about tonight's menu, which is good because I think that'll curb me from eating too much.
It'll make up for yesterday for me.
Nothing's going to make up for yesterday for you, my dear. 3 desserts.
I regret nothing.
I know you don't. You regret not getting the 4th.
Okay, maybe that.
We're having a great time. I don't even want to. I don't want to think about once we actually get back, what the situation's going to be with the hurricane having come through. Having lost 2 more days of work, because we're in Disney the week after that with our daughter and her family. So that's a lot of work to turn around in 3 or 4 days. Probably Thursday, Friday, and then I'll probably end up working Saturday. So this is, I'm not going to let it stress me out, though, and I'm certainly not really going to think about it for the rest of this cruise. That is a problem for dry land.
Yep.
I'm having a really good time. I hope you are too.
Me too.
I love you.
Love you too.
We saw Cuba. I'm so excited. I don't know why. We watch a lot of cruise videos, and we keep doing things on the ship or seeing things off the side of the ship that we actually, I feel like we've already done or seen, and then I'm like, oh, nope, that was so-and-so in a video. So I'm apparently losing track of what my life is. So they brought us glasses. Here, how about English? For the collection of your tray, call us in room service. Yeah, you call them at room service. I didn't know this. I always knew people put their trays out in the hallway, but I didn't. You're supposed to call room service first, and then they say, okay, put it in the hall, and then they know to come collect it. But isn't that nice? There's 6 glasses in each one, or 3 glasses in each one. So we're looking for something. Nope. Hi. You don't have the Thanos hands anymore, do you? The glove? The glove? The infinity glove? No. Okay. I was hoping to surprise somebody with it, but okay. That's okay. It's so cute. They have every other possible one. I tried. I'm glad you didn't say anything to her. Okay, as I've said before, I'm not a spirit jersey person because I don't like sleeves, and I'm generally hot. But I like that one. That is a great shirt. Even Ethan's like, ooh. Yeah, that is really nice. And I like these. They sell window clings and door magnets now. Those are really cool. Put that on the back of the car. I like this one too. But I don't need any more services. We have a bunch. Oh, you wanted to buy bags, right? Aw. Did you want to get some bags?
Yeah.
I would get a few since we're, Yeah. These are the guys that work in the ship. Look at them. They're wonderful. Everybody's so nice. Are you done? Are you ready? Oh, your pin. Ethan found a pin. All right. Now, this is a cruise, and we're not doing another one for like a year, so get as many bags as you need.
Okay.
Because we love these reusable bags.
Yeah.
They're fabulous. tried to recreate it for me today.
It was good until it took us.
Right, I am.
All right, so thanks to the magic of the app, I've been looking at the menu ahead of time, so I have a pretty good idea of what I'm ordering, but we'll see what actually happens in the heat of battle here. All right, while we're hurrying up and waiting, I'm thinking about the persets. Might do the serrano ham again, even though I did that for lunch, or also do the salmon tartare.
You did lamb.
I did a few things for lunch, but it was like just small stuff. And for actual dinner, I think I was looking at the light salmon. I'm very about making it for yesterday. We'll see how that goes. Also wine. Ann wants me to show the bread basket, so here it is. Also wine. Did I mention the wine? There's wine.
Many wine.
They've really got a thing for teeny tiny coffee cups on this cruise. I don't get why, but whatever.
Check out all the human dudes. Hello, human dudes. Today's call.
I said, do you want me to film a little bit of it?
Human dudes.
I want your reaction to the show.
We on Fishing Family.
Reaction videos are very hot right now.
It's all you dudes doing the same. What do you say we all totally hang
Hi,
together?
Crush.
If that's cool, there's your footing.
Hi, Crush.
They said totally. Keep shredded. This is my little dude squirt.
Keep missing.
Hey, Bandita.
Check it out! It's like
Hi, Crush.
big human tank!
No, this is the Crush show.
Don't sing songs. You can't talk at all now?
It is a fact, well known, that Robin has the salad.
Caesar salad. Caesar salad.
It is also poignant yet relevant that Jamie has the persets. I am being told that Jen has the...
Salad. Don't do it.
Is that the walnut salad thing? Yeah. We'll be seeing it close up shortly enough. Here's the persets close up.
Fantastic smoked salmon tartare. That would be fit to us.
And the tartare.
Ethan took too many.
It'll look better when I take stylized food photos. Right now it looks kind of like I'm viewing this on the black and white TV. Before she gets too far into this, you got the what kind of soup?
It's butternut squash.
The butternut squash soup. All right, here we are. All right, we're caught up on all the foodstuffs. So next up on the hit parade, I'm having the chicken and walnut salad.
First bite was really flavorful.
Brian is having the, I think, same thing.
What is this?
Or no, that's
It's just
something else.
arugula leaves with beets and white beans. And
This is the arugula
This is
salad.
salad. Funky salad. Oh, fine, do it.
Well, sit right back and you'll hear a tale of what I had to eat. Except you won't hear about Brian's salad anymore because it's filled with beets.
Screw you. Screw you.
Let it go.
Okay, all I...
Did we create the picture tonight?
No. How did you get this so tangled?
You like singing.
Okay. We are on our main course, and I was not starving, so I went with a simple garden salad, but I asked for a double, kind of like how Robin likes her gin.
Grand Marnier soufflés.
Oh yeah, Grand Marnier soufflés.
Always
All right, so please speak into the cleavage. What do you have?
I have the beef tenderloin
Blue cheese, would you like to leave it on the side? Or?
On the side, please. Here. Thank you. Brian.
Steaks all around.
Brian, speaking to the cleavage.
Yes.
What do you have for
Tell
dinner?
the boobs what you're
Tell
eating.
the boobs what you're eating.
Beef tenderloin, mashed potatoes, and bok choy.
Oh, bok choy. Oh, we cooked a lot with that. We did a couple of Blue Apron things. The Weight Watchers Blue Apron. Every recipe had bok choy. We had steel cut oatmeal, bok choy. Okay, on the other side of the table,
We got the same thing.
Jen's also got the tenderloin.
Sorry, I can't speak in this.
Get your cord out of your food.
I'll do mine. Just Anne's waiting to eat.
I obviously didn't wait.
The grilled tuna.
It was like, no, secret there.
I'm having the salmon as a light fare option. I'm trying to keep it cool here. I don't know if eating 4 things so far is keeping it cool, but
When they finish cooking, then I eat.
Maggie? Well, nice to meet you, Maggie. And who are you with today, Dudette? The family? That's excellent. Does the family have the names?
Tara dossier. All right, there's all the drinks. So I was thinking about the walnut cake, which would go in with the walnut salad. Or possibly the deconstructed carrot cake, but it might be weird. Ow, 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 ow. God, they twisted my arm. I gotta get a second dessert. I wasn't gonna, for the record, but they made me do it. Okay, they let go. Brian's getting special dessert.
Oh my goodness, it's still alive. It's alive. It's still alive. Did you hear that? I'd be afraid
I'm scared.
of you.
Don't let it run this way.
Butter.
Okay. Oh no.
Butter.
Wait, does it look like you?
This is gonna be scary face.
Brown. It's supposed to be brown. Man.
Oh no.
Oh, it's running.
Now it's Alice Cooper.
Dude, my souffle is
All right, soufflés are starting to make their appearance. We have soufflé. We also have Alice Cooper and soufflé.
creme brulee.
Well, then I have a soufflé. Here's the walnut cake from afar. Here it is from an ear.
Here it is from an ear.
I'm sorry, that's it again.
Walnut cake and soufflé. Also coffee. Wine's all gone. So as Brian's stabbing at it, what did you get?
The lemon icebox pie.
Oh, okay. That was the lemon icebox pies. I know that this microphone probably didn't pick them up. You are there live as Brian's taking his first initial bites.
I like it. That's good.
I'm being told that of all the desserts he's had on the cruise, it's definitely one of them.
The back of the penguin.
Look, it's a penguin. Oh, look, you're here too.
It's a penguin.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Yes, I've been waiting for you. Here's your instructions.
Back of the penguin. What are you doing?
Greetings, Mr. Bond.
Alright.
And now I sense you want to go to Antarctica. Patience. In time, it will seek you out. And when it
Antarctica?
does, you will bring it before me.
Here, I'm getting comfortable.
Yeah, I am too.
Pinguini.
Penguin. Honey, what's this? I don't know. Is this dessert?
It's like the penguins like at a gentleman's club or something. Oh, go on.
Yes. Somehow.
Oh, please, move at a glacial pace. You know how much I love that. Mad Cat, get gadget.
And welcome back to Get the Sea But I wasn't there.
Wait, where's the guy who would hug everyone for beer? If you were here, let me hear you. He's napping now. He's all hugged out. What's the name of that word?
Ziwatanejo.
Ziwatanejo. Do you guys actually know? Are we back? Yeah, kick it out. You can hear me? You can hear me? I'm talking to myself.
My future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me,
Better make it.
fast.
This is a Spice Girls, if you didn't know.
Precious time.
Y'all got it wrong earlier.
Be just
Sing it! So tell me what you want, what you really want. One touch soup!
what does it say?
This is more of Despacito than I've ever heard in my life.
What y'all Thank you all so much. Have a great night. See you all tomorrow.
Here he goes again. This is how he looks. Okay, now I'm going to show you an after-hours Disney secret. There's a Mouseketeer over here. Annette! Everybody laughed the first time. Oh, yeah.
How about this?
No!